Hey guys, do you know how many times I've been asked, hey man, do you ever get any awesome 252 Baja Islanders in? Well, guess what this bad boy is? This is a 1999 Baja 252 Islander performance boat, open bow, awesome thing. My name is Brandon. You're watching this video on my YouTube channel, which is Used Boats TV. Purpose of this channel is provide boat information and how-to videos. So do me a favor while you're checking this bad boy out, be sure and subscribe. I've got a goal of 1,000 subscribers before next summer. Let's get started and look at this thing.
What it really means to live life golden. Golden.
Now it's time for the butt seat test. That's where I get in the boat and show you how much room there is for your friends and family's butt.
Oh my God, Becky, look at her butt.
This one's gonna be easy. We got 2 butt seats. We got room for a 3rd smoking hot chick, a 4th, a 5th, and a 6th smoking hot chick. Coming into the bow, onto the deck, we have 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So you can easily get 11 smoking hot butts in this Baja. Right up here in the corner, I'm going to put the specs. I'll also include a link to a video that explains how boat capacity ratings are given. If you don't see it up here, click the description below the video. I'll include a link there. Now let's look at the outside of this bad boy. Okay, here we are coming around the starboard side. This beautiful boat, gel coast in great shape, has great shine to it. It's got the stainless Wraparound instead of the Wraparound rubber, which kind of looks cheap and tacky and old. The stainless, just a nice touch, which is this here. Okay. So this boat has a very sharp V. Slices through the water extremely well. It's a local boat from here in Missouri. Hull's in great shape. Looking up at the stem, it's in great shape too. We didn't get a trailer with it, just kept on a lift, I'm assuming. And that's probably why the stem is in such great shape. Coming around to the port side, hull's in great shape. And this is actual gel coat, okay? Which is good instead of graphics. You can always put graphics over it if you want to update it. You got pop-out cleats. There's where you put the gas. It does take gasoline, just so you know. These are the blower vent covers. And one thing to point out too, these are actually in good shape. And one thing to keep in mind, a lot of your friends and family, dock dudes and gals, when you're going to dock the boat, they always want to grab something and pull. Don't grab these. This is like 5 ounces. This is like 4,500 pounds. 5 ounces, 4,500 pounds. I'm pretty good at math, but if you follow me there, you'll understand. Don't pull the boat by the blower vent covers. So it's got the Bravo 1 drive built for speed and performance. That's performance right on it. It's got exhaust coming through the back and trim tabs. That's made for lateral stability to help level the boat, or like on our lake when it's rough as heck, put them both down. You have a platform. Now that's trimmed up in the trailer position. You'll never have it that high. Otherwise, the drive should be almost completely under the big platform that says Baja right on it. Now it's time for the 3 wows.
Wow. This is a nice boat.
This is the portion of my video where I give you 3 reasons that I feel would wow you into buying this specific boat. Okay? Number 1, easy. This specific model. Okay? A lot of guys, you know, they kind of get the performance boat picture in their head. They want to go fast, look fast doing it. And then you got a family. I understand. I'm 36 and I got 4 kids. So this is the answer to family yet performance. That's what a Baja Islander is. It's a family open bow yet it looks cool and runs great. Okay, number 2, price. 7.4 MPI. So you get a multi-port injected engine. You got bow and cockpit covers, full cover. The boat's in great shape. It was lift kept. You got trim tabs. So you're getting a whole lot of cool stuff for basically $20,000 or under $20,000 if you want to use a calculator. Okay, number 3, resale. Since this boat is in great shape and Baja Islanders are seriously so popular, there's no sales pitch about that. Around 20 grand, that's just what they bring. That's what they brought for quite a few years, nice or not. There was a guy across the lake from us and I couldn't trade for it because the boat was wore out. He wanted 20 grand for it. He actually got 21.5 on Craigslist last year. That's crazy. Anyhow, those are the 3 wows. Now let's look at the interior of this bad boy. All right, so now we're in the cockpit of the boat. We're standing on the snow platform, actually. So one thing to note, this is original, which is crazy. There's one nick in it right here, which will have vinyl repaired, but that's it. The seams are very soft. Someone took very good care of this. Used a lot of conditioner. I say that because normally when you have intricate designs on sun pads, you don't have them very long. So this looks awesome. We'll have that fixed, because that's what we do here at Heartland Marine. We inspect, check, clean, correct every boat to sell before we sell it within reason. Back seat's nice. Even the headrest is nice. The foam's not wore out. Got grab handles in case you got bad drivers. Got cup holders. If I were you, I'd switch those to stainless. Speaking of switching stuff, I've got a video I'll include a link to above, as well as down below in the description, of the 5 least expensive do-it-yourself boat upgrades that are cheap, so you can be balling on a budget in your new boat this summer. Okay, so it's got a tilt wheel. I think these bezels, like around the gauges, have been upgraded because they look really nice. Even all these rocker switches look great. Now this has the drop-out bolster seats, which I'm a huge fan of. So you can kind of get real cozy while you're driving, or you can lift it up. I'm sure that was real loud. It's got the 4-point bolster seats. These seats alone can sell for up to $3,500 for just the frame. So those are very valuable. It's got an upgraded Bluetooth Kenwood head unit, and I had it on, and it sounds okay. It's got a mom box, so she can take your phone, wallets, whatever. You got storage underneath the back seat. This has dual batteries with a switch. Fiberglass floor, so you don't have to worry about rot. This is an external port if your batteries go dead, so you can hook up power to that. Raise that hatch. There's the anchor light. Let's go ahead and raise that hatch. And all the buttons I play with do something too, which is nice. So there's the engine light, off, on. Got it. So power hatch. It's got fiberglass underneath it, and it's in great shape. Like the fiberglass itself, so that's something you look for. Okay. It also doesn't look like it's been apart a whole bunch of times, which is a great sign. See? Normally, if they've done a lot of work, these are all messed up and it looks funky back here. Probably shoot myself in the foot for the next one I sell, but this one's nice. Dual batteries with a switch, automatic fire suppression system, 7.4 MPI, 310 horse. When we walked around the exterior, I didn't know for sure if it had through-hole or captain's call. I just said through-hole exhaust. You can shut it off or on. There's the solenoid. Okay, this is a storage box. It's a great place to roll up some towels. Put them in there, help keep them dry. I'm just making stuff up as I go. Bear with me. Slower that bad boy. Hillbilly GPS standard. The windshield and frame on this boat's also in nice shape. All the way around. Both sides. And the center. Okay. In here, it's a place for a toilet, but only a Oompa Loompa could actually get in here and use it. But it does have bow and cockpit snap-on covers, as well as a full mooring cover, and a bimini top sitting on a prop tree. So it's got all that jazz. A bow filler cushion. Great place for storage or to put your husband or wife on timeout. Ski storage on the floor, right here. Up into the open bow, it's nice and long, kind of like a crown line. You have a lot of room up here. It's nice and deep. It's got the wraparound safety rail, storage underneath the seats, anchor locker, cleats to tie it off. Right there. This boat's awesome. Well, my name's Brandon. Hope you like this boat. Do me a favor, if you're wanting to buy it, be sure and ask for me when you call here. Sorry about the way I'm dressed today. I went arrowhead hunting before work. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. My cell phone number's down below. I'll see you on the water. Thank you.
Models, popping bottles.